Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. I run the Sonic Pi to see its user interface. Okay, it showed up. Here on the left is our coding environment. For example, for the first code we write play 70, a beep code. I press the run button. Okay, you heard it. Look at on the top right. You can change the number and the beep changes. Okay, we dig further in coding. Now I explain some about the user interface. On the top left we have 5 button run runs your code as you previously saw. Stops your performance playing and will record what you coded. For example, I press the record button and then play my code, run. When I press the record button again, a dialog box shows up and I can save my audio. For example, on desktop, I give it a name, yek, one. I said it in Persian, and I save it as a WAV file. Here it is on desktop, one. I play it with VLC. Okay, that's good. Save button will save your code. It saves your code as Ruby file, music1.rb. You can load your code by load button, music1.rb. On the top right corner we have 6 other buttons, size buttons, minus and plus, will reduce and increases the size of your code environment. Scope is the area that you see here below the buttons. A red line also exists here when we play a code. You can see it in scope. When you click once, it disappears and again it come up. Info button will bring us a window that consists of some tabs about Sonic Pi version and some other information, community, core team that developed the software, contributors, license and history. Help is on the bottom of the window and you can use it to self-learn the Sonic Pi. And here there are 9 buffer. You can write your codes in each of them. I am in the buffer 0, and preferences has 5 tabs audio. I even don't know all of these options yet. Safe mode, enforce timing guarantees, and some other. Master volume, you can reduce and increase it. Input and output, enable MIDI subsystems. Editor, you can darken your environment. Full screen your window. And there is also pro icons. Look at the buttons. When you I have to change to full screen. Pro buttons, the buttons change into pro icons. In the left, show line numbers. We had now 1. For example, we can add some other lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3 line numbers. Show log, show cue log, show buttons. Okay, buttons disappeared. Now again appeared. Show tabs, buffers or tabs. At the bottom you can see, and some other features. Visuals, transparency, you can set the transparency of the main window. I don't know yet how it helps us and updates that. Now there is an update. My version is not updated because I have Windows 7 operating system, and the latest version has some bugs on my operating system. Okay, preferences. So we got familiar with the user interface and wrote our first code. Thank you for watching. In the next videos we focus on coding, and we'll go forward to compose our first beautiful musics. Thank you for watching. Please see our videos and subscribe in my channel.